What's up, Facebook? Thomas with Precision Exterior Wash here. We're out here in Mechanicsburg washing a beautiful house. Let's see here. We already got this side washed. There was some green mildew on the one side of it. Really not looking very good, so we washed that off. We got one of our guys over here. You can see him way in the background rinsing. We're now rinsing this side, so we're soon going to be done with this house, and then we're moving on to the concrete up front. We're going to do the public sidewalk, the porch, and the curb up front. Really make this house stand out, make it shine against against the other houses right next to it. So what I want to talk to you about is, this is what's called Hardie plank. So it's not your typical vinyl siding, which means it can easily be damaged by high pressure. So that's why we're using our soft wash technology. You can see back there, it doesn't even look like high pressure. It's more like the pressure that's coming out of your garden hose. So instead of using dangerous pressure to clean the side of your house, which could damage siding, we're letting the detergents and the solution do the cleaning, and then we just rinse it off. Especially, it's definitely the best way to wash your house and really just give your house a fresh look. So anyway, I just wanted to hop on here and let you know we're washing houses in Mechanicsburg today. We got 2 more on the schedule, and we're all booked up next week, the following week. So give us a call. We are booking up quickly for spring. We want to come wash your house. We want to come wash your house and make it look beautiful again. So let's see. Ryan, looks like you're in the Walden development. I am, man. You got a good eye. So anyway, we're gonna hop out of here. I'm gonna hop off of here and help my guy finish up, and then we'll start doing the concrete. So all right, you guys have a great day. If you want your house washed, give us a call, send me a text, get on our schedule. You know, I'll get you a quote out. I'll get you a quote instantly. 717-370-1365. precisionexteriorwash@gmail.com, or shoot us a Facebook message. Thanks. You guys have a great day. Bye.